Okay, you are welcome and then welcome back to my channel once again. My name remains Richmond, and in today's video we're going to learn how to do Binance Auto Invest. So if you're using a computer, this method is going to be very simple for you, but for the phone's sake, you are going to find where you can find N on your dashboard, and then you click on it and then you select Auto Invest from it. And so those of us who are using computer can press your mouse button or your mouse pointer on N, and then there are going to be a drop down menu which comprises of Binance N, and then you click on Auto Invest, and it's going to take you straight to the dashboard of Auto Invest, where you can invest your money and then earn a commission on it. So as it's loading, take this advantage to subscribe to the channel and then help your guy move forward in YouTube, and then like this video to help the YouTube algorithm to recommend my video to people like us who want to learn how to make money online. And our channel is all about make money online. So you can read from this pop-up that what Auto Invest is. You can read it and understand it very well, rather than what I'm telling you. And my advice for you is do not invest much than you can afford, or you can't afford to lose. Yes, invest the little amount that you have, rather than borrowing money and then investing, and at the end of the day going to cost you a loss or damages. So you see, there is a create plan over there. So you can choose to invest in only one cryptocurrency, but when a loss happens, means your money is going to loss. You are going to run at loss, and that's the reason why I would advise you to create a multiple. You select multiple assets. Yes, you select multiple assets. So when one goes down, the other, and when the other raises up, means your money, the one who that raised up is going to recover that loss. Yes, so that is it. Do not select only one cryptocurrency. That you see that it's moving on, because you can see percentages. So you can read through them, the frequent asked questions. You can read through them, the FAQ. You can read through them and then understand it very well. What is Auto Invest? What does it? How does it work? Where my Auto Invest assets? So you can go through their frequent asked question, frequently asked question, and then read through it before you try to invest in that, because if you don't understand anything, that's where you can find your question to it. And if you have any question concerning what I'm teaching you, you can comment down below, and then I will get back to you one after the other. So you must learn, you must read them carefully and understand everything before you invest your money, because it's money that you're going to invest in that. So you can create it by choosing the yellowish create a plan. So I would advise you to go to the top section and then click on create a plan. Yes, so do not choose a single asset. Do not choose a single cryptocurrency, because if you go down, it means you are going to run at loss. But I would advise you to go by multi crypto assets, which is the top 5, top 10. Yes, and that's where here you can choose to add the coins one after the other. If you know the cryptocurrency that is going to rise in the nearby future, you can do it, and you can do your research on CoinMarketCap, and that's where you can find that. And then auto populate, you click on that, and then you can choose top 5 blue chips and top 10. So I used to go by the top 10 Auto Invest. Yes, the top 10 Auto Invest. So they have selected the top 10 cryptocurrency that is rising currently. So you click on that, and then you're going to divide your money into 10% of each of the cryptocurrency. Yes, they're going to divide your money into 10. So the 10% that you see here over means that you want to invest 10% of your assets. Yes, that's what it means. Okay, so I will advise you to go for weekly or bi-weekly. So, and if you like, you can choose to go for monthly or hourly. depending on your what you wish to select. And the minimum deposit you can do is 2 USDT. So with 2 USDT, you are going to divide the 2 USDT into 10%. Yes, each cryptocurrency that you selected is going to receive 10%, and you can choose to edit that too. So yes, and after that you click on create, and it's going to create your asset. So because I don't have enough money in my account, that's the reason why you see 0 USDT over there. So it is being created successfully, but I did not deposit any money in my account. So if I would have deposited money in my account, this thing would have worked for me. So yes, that is that. So guys, this is how you create Binance Auto Invest, and after 24 hours they are going to lock your money and they are going to reinvest it, and each and every day they are going to bring you a profit depending on the type of asset that you choose. So if you choose 24 hours, means 24 hours this plan will expire. And if you choose 1 week, after 1 week this plan will expire, and you'll be able to withdraw your money and then spend it on whatever you want to do. And after that you can earn, I'm not saying that you are going to earn 100 USDT as profit, but you can earn small amount of money with it, and with this your money can grow. Because I know somebody who deposited just 10 USDT, and after some few months the person was able to accumulate even $20. Yes, so depending on the longer your money will be in this plan, or you'll be at the auto invest, that's the higher your profit will be. So where you see portfolio value and then profit and loss, that's where you can view your profit and then your loss. And if you are running at loss, that's where you can find it. And portfolio profit, if you are getting profit, this is where you can find it. So without wasting much of your time, guys, smash on the like button, subscribe to the channel, and then until I see my next video, don't forget that I do love you guys. Bye bye for now, and then stay safe.